Hello, welcome to MargBooks. Today we will learn how to create a new company. Log in to MargBooks. As soon as you log in, the organization list window will appear. To create a new company, press F2 or click on the Create button. After that, click on Add New Organization. As soon as you click on Add New Organization, the Create Company window will open, where you can create your new company. First, enter the company name. After that, enter the address, state and pin code. Now, select Billing General Trade under Business Type as we want to implement General Trade Billing. To add the company's contact information, click on Contact Details. Here, you can enter the company's phone number, website, email ID and other required contact details. If the company logo is available, you can upload it using the Upload Logo option. Next, click on More Info. As soon as you click on it, all the additional tabs will become active. Under Tax Details, select the company's registration type. In this example, we are selecting Registered. In the License Info tab, enter the drug license, food license FSSAI, or any other required license details according to the company's business requirements. Next, in the Other Info tab, select the appropriate working style according to the company's requirements. If inventory is maintained in the company, select the secondary option. If inventory is not maintained, select the normal WO secondary option. After entering all the required information, click on the Save button. If you found this video useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.